Then of course BCD addition will be there. Right, BCD addition will be there, as well as compare instructions will be used. This is very important instruction, compare instruction. Right. So let us start with this programming example. Suppose in this 2400 onwards, right, 2400H onwards, in these memory locations we have bytes 34, 2F. At 2401 we have 2F, then 2402 we have 49, we have at 2403 we have say B C, then 2404 we have 3 2, at 2405 we have some data say 55, at 2406 here we have some data say 3A, at 2407 we have some data like 99. Right. So this type of data is stored in memory location starting from 2400 onwards, and our data block is ending over here at 240F. So 16 bytes are there. Here we have suppose 33. Right. Now here what we see, 34 is BCD number, binary coded decimal number, because each digit is less than A or equal to less than equal to 9. So each digit is, now here this is not BCD, this is 2F, this is not BCD, right? Again this is BCD, each nibble is more than is less than 9, less than A. Here both nibbles are more than A or equal to A, so it is not BCD, right? This is BCD, this is BCD, this is not BCD. So similarly we have 16 bytes stored in memory location starting from, right, 2400H, and data is ending over here. So 16 bytes are there. Right, we have to add, we have to select only BCD numbers, BCD bytes. From these 16 bytes we have to select only BCD bytes and add them together. Then store the result in memory location 2500H onwards. Right, suppose in each location we have 99, each location we have 99, right? So we have, so what will be result? Result will be 16 into 99. How much it will be? 16 into 99 will be how much? Hello, Harshvardhan?
Sir.
16 into 99. Do the multiplication for me quickly.
Yes, sir. 1 second. Sir, 1584.
1584 will be the result. right? So we have to store at 2500, we have to store how much? 84 has to be stored, and at 2501 higher order byte of the result has to be to store 15. So if we add 9999, right, then carry will be generated, then result will be added with this another carry. So this way if we go 15 times carry will be generated, okay, and finally 84 will be there. So let us write the program. Yesterday we discussed uh, so first instruction, let us, it will be XRA A. XRA A is going to do what? It will perform XOR operation between accumulator content only. So, right. Finally, accumulator content is going to be 0000, right? This will lead to what? A equal to 00, and all flags will be cleared, right? All flags will be cleared, and 0 flag probably it will be set to 1. XRA 0 flag will be set to 1. But accumulator is cleared, right? So we can use, and carry flag will be cleared, auxiliary carry flag will be cleared, parity flag will be cleared, sign flag will be cleared. Only 0 flag is going to be set to 1, probably with this XRA A. I'm not sure, you have to go through the instruction set and you can see what are the flags affected with XRA A and what will be the result, right? Next, I will use HL as memory pointer. LXI H 2400H, right? So HL is pointed over here. Next, if I do say move A comma M, what will happen? So this 3 4 will come to accumulator, right? At 2400, what we have? We have 3 4. At 2401 we have 2F. इसको कॉपी कर सकते हैं क्या? No. Oh. Anyway, at 2401 we have 2F. Similarly, say we can write 33 B7 like this. So move A comma M. A will be how much? Hello? A will be 34H. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you do DAA, DA instruction will check the accumulator content. Will check the accumulator content. Lower nibble is less than 9, upper nibble is less than 9. Okay? Both are less than 9. So it will not add 660 to this. In last class we discussed, no? If any nibble is more than 9, then 6 is added to that nibble. Then it checks auxiliary carry flag, right? Since it's a data transfer instruction, so auxiliary carry flag is not going to set, will be 0. So it will not add 6 to lower nibble, since auxiliary carry flag is there, not there. Carry flag is also not there. So it will, so in this A will be, after DAA, A will be equal to 34 H only. It will not change. Right. Now, next instruction is very, very important one, which will compare M. What exactly this instruction does? Actually, this instruction does perform this operation. So right now, here I'll just show you what it will be done. I will erase all these things. So in HL register pair, what we have? We have 2400, right? 2400. Move M comma A. So 2400 content will come to accumulator. So here we have 34. Now next instruction is DAA. So processor will check each nibble of this accumulator. Since both are less than 9, less than A, so nothing will be added over here. Here carry flag is also 0, auxiliary carry flag is also 0, so 0 0 will be added, and result will be 34 only, and 34 will be stored back over here. Now next instruction is compare M. When this instruction comes to instruction register, CMP M comes over here. What exactly processor is going to do? Processor is going to fetch the data from 2400, which is 34 only. So that 34 will be copied over here. Now in arithmetic logic unit, A minus temporary will be performed. Now both are 0, both are equal. So A minus temporary will be what? 0 0 H. So here 0 flag is going to be 1, right? So after compare instruction, accumulator content will be compared with the content of memory location 2400H. Then if both are equal, then 0 flag will be set to 1. It means this 2400 content is a BCD number. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
BCD number. So now you have to perform the addition operation. So this 34 has to be added, right? 34 has to be added. So suppose I am moving here, say LXI V 0000H. So if you do A D D C, what will happen? A will be equal to A plus C. Here C is how much? 0 0. A is how much? 34. 0 0. So result will be how much? A plus C. So A will be equal to 34. Now if you do move C comma A, so the result will be stored in C register. Okay, result will be stored in C register. Up to this it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Now before this addition, you have to be careful what type of byte you are adding. It has to be BCD only. Each nibble has to be less than 9. So after, and result also we have to produce in BCD. So after addition you have to use DAA over here. Suppose first is what? 34. Second one is say 38. I am writing over here. So add C. So 34 will be 0 0. plus 34 will be added. So result will be 34. Then DA instruction will check each and every nibble of the result. Each and every both nibble will be checked. Carry flag, auxiliary carry flag will be checked, and based on that it will add 66, or right, it will add, and finally it will produce the result. So right now in this case carry flag is not there, auxiliary carry flag is not there, right, and each nibble is less than 9, so nothing will change, it will be 34 only. So C, result will be copied to C register. So C will be 34. C will be how much? 34. Now I am going for next byte. Suppose, of course, you have to decrement the count, and if you, right, INX H you have to do, right, DCR count, then you have to repeat, no? So when this one is over here at 2401, what will happen? Move M comma A. A will be how much? Tell me. Hello? कितना होगा A जी?
Sir,
A will be how much?
2F.
2F. Now DAA. So DA instruction will check each and every nibble. So A will be 2F plus 06, no? DA instruction will add 06 to the nibble where we have more than, right? If nibble is more than 9, then 06, 6 will be added to that nibble. So lower nibble, which is F, more than 9, so 6 is added to lower nibble. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So definitely this is not going to be, right, F35 will be the result. 35 will be the result. So accumulator will be how much? A will be equal to 35 after DA instruction. 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0. F is 4, 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 0. What will be this? 0, 1, 1, 0. So if you add this 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, then 1 over will come over here, 1, 1, 1, like this. So it will be 3, 5. So A will be equal to 3, 5. A will be equal to 3, 5, or probably auxiliary carry is generating over here. So again 0, 6 may be added. I am not sure over here. But definitely this accumulator content is going to change. It's not going to be equal to, right, A won't be equal to 2F. Okay. So now when compare M is done, what will happen? Here it is, A is not equal to 2F, while memory location pointed by HL pair is 2F only. So that 2F will be copied over here. A is not equal to 2F and temporary equal to 2F. So if these two are subtracted, this result is going to be non-zero. So 0 flag is not going to be set. Right? So we need to write a instruction over here. I will delete all. After this compare instruction, we need to write an instruction J N Z. Jump if not 0. What we have to do? We have to skip addition. Now, if 0 flag equal to 1, then you have to add. Okay? So, if BCD number is not, if the byte is not BCD, then you have to skip the addition. And if byte is BCD, then you have to add that number. So this way you have to check 16 byte up to 240F. So let us rewrite the program once again. I hope concept is clear. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So I am rewriting the entire program. Then you let me know if I am wrong somewhere. First instruction is XRA A. Second instruction is LXI H 2400H. Third instruction is LXI B 0000H for storing the addition operation result, right? Now next instruction is move A comma M CMP compare M. Compare M. JNZ skip addition. Right, otherwise you have to add. So how to add? You have to do what? A D D C, right? A D D C, then you have to do DAA, right? If carry is generated, suppose you are adding 3-4 is added, so C register is 3-4. This will be skipped, then it will be at 2402 in third step. So now in accumulator it will be 38, right? In third step A will be 38. DAA instruction has to be over here. Sorry, अब बताते नहीं है भाई, उधर से चुपचाप बैठे रहते हैं. Move A comma M DAA, then only we have to compare, no? So A is not going to change after this. So now if you compare A with 38, 38 minus 38 will be done, right? And result is not going to be stored back in the accumulator. One thing you need to note down in compare instruction, subtraction is performed, but result is not stored back in the accumulator. But according to subtraction, result flags are affected. So 0 flag will be set, right? 0 flag will be set to 1, so it will not skip the addition process, so it will add. So in C already we have 34, while in first iteration it is 34, right? Now A is 38, so add C. So A will be 38 plus 34, right? So it is how much? 3, 4. So how it will be added? 8 plus 4, 12, so it is C. 3 plus 3 is 6. Hello, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now DAA instruction, what it will do? It will check both nibble. So it is 6 It is C. So 6 will be added to this because it is more than 9. Then 0, 0 over here. Now during this addition process, we don't have any carry, right? We don't have any auxiliary carry as well as carry. So, but one nibble is more than 9. So 6 will be added over here. Okay. So in this C plus 6 is how much? 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Right?
Sir, 2, sir.
Huh? 0 carry will be there. So it will be 7 2. Right? Result will be 7 2. Okay. So now A equal to how much? 7 2. Now what you have to do? You have to transfer the 7 2 to C register. Right? Now suppose next byte is this one will be skipped, and here we have 5 0. So what will happen? 7 2 plus 5 0 will be added. What will the result? 7 2 plus 5 0. If these two are added, what will be the result?
Sir, D2.
This will be 2. 7 plus 5 is how much?
Sir, C2.
C2.
C2, sir.
Right? C2. So 1 1 0 0 result will be this. Now DAA, this instruction will do what? It will add 6 to this nibble. Upper nibble is more than 9, no? So 6 will be added over here. Lower nibble is only 2. No auxiliary carry, no carry. So 6 will be added to upper nibble. Right? So this will be 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 over here. So 1 1 0, and carry will be generated. So result will be how much? 2 2, no? So in A you will have 2 2 and carry is there. Carry is there. So in that case you have to check. After moving accumulator to over here, if DAA instruction generates carry, then you have to go for this JNC add next byte. Else you have to do what? You have to increment D register. So in C you have how much? In C you are going to transfer what? 2 2, and you have to do the addition JNC next byte. If carry is not there, you have to add the next byte. Otherwise you have to increment B. So how to increment that point? That you see. A right now A equal to 22. So you transfer this one to C first. Then you transfer B content over here in accumulator. Then you do ADI 01 H. Then you do DAA. Then you move A comma B comma A. Okay. तो ये पोर्शन डिलीट करें. अरे वाह, ये तो हाँ, control Z, delete all this. Right. So now B is incremented by 1. This one is the process. In this case, what we are doing, we are incrementing B by 1, but in different way. Right. Earlier, we were doing INR B, no, for incrementing B. So B was 0, 1. Now I am telling you why I am doing this. Suppose each time we are adding 99. So how many times carry will be generated? 15 times. Is it not? So if we go by INR B, what will happen? In first case, it will be 0, 1. In second case, it will be 0, 2. Third case, it will be 0, 3. Fourth case, it will be 0, 4. Fifth case, it will be 0, 5. 0, 6. 0, 7. 0, 8. 0, 9. 0, 8. But here we want our result has to be not this. Our result has to be 1, 0. 0 ये नहीं चाहिए हमको BCD में. So this way, if you keep on incrementing this, finally it will become 1, 5. और इधर क्या था जी लास्ट में? कहाँ था? 84. 1, 5 और इधर जो है हमारा C रजिस्टर में क्या होगा? 84 होगा. 84 and this has to be in B. Finally, our result has to be this. C will be equal to 84. B will be equal to 15. Now, if you go by INR B instead of all these instructions, then finally B will be how much? Anyone? If you go by INR B instead of these instructions, what will the B content if you increment this one, say 15 times? Quickly. Hello?
Sir, 1 second.
What will be the B content if we use INR B instead of this? And right, everywhere it's 99, 99, 99. So 15 times carry will be generated, no? So
Yes,
sir.
each time carry is generated if you use INR B for incrementing the B register. So it will be incremented 15 times. So when 10th time it is incremented, it will be 0A. 11 time it will be 0B. Similarly, 15 time it will be 0F. So our result is not 15 because we have to add the BCD numbers and result also has to be like this 1584. Our result should not be 0F something. So we go by this technique. So whenever we are adding, right, in this case what we are doing, we are moving B content to A, then adding 0, 1, right? So A will be incremented by 1, DA is being done. So suppose this has been done say 9 times, so this will be in B register. When 10th time we are incrementing this, so B is 0, 9. So move B comma A. What it will do? A will be equal to 0, 9. ADI 0, 1 H. So A will be equal to 0, 9 plus 0, 1 H. So A will be equal to 0 AH. DAA, right? This will check accumulator content. Lower nibble is more than 9, so it will add 6 to this. So A plus 6 is 0 and 1. Carry will come over here, so result will be this. Next, we are transferring this one where? To A. A content is transferred to B. So B will be now 1 0 if you go by this technique. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am removing this now. Okay. Next. So now if carry is not generated, then what we have to do? We have to go for add next byte. Or this also we should write as add next byte, right? इसको skip करिए और add कीजिए. Add next byte, right? If byte is not BCD, then no need to add. So go for addition of next byte. So for adding next byte, what we have to do? We have to go for here. No. I will write here next. Next. Next will be move A comma C comma A. So J and C will be next only. J and C will be, it will be next only. So it will jump over here. Then here it will be add next byte. Right. So we will go for adding the next byte. So it will be INX H. Now, if he move A comma L, right? L content is moved to accumulator. So after INX H, what will be the L content? HL points to 2401, right? So L is equal to 01. Now here A equal to 01. Now if you do CPI, CPI 10H. So this will be 2410H, right? So this one is the last byte. You need to check and add. And then if you go for INX H, L content will be how much? 10. So L content is transferred to accumulator. Then it is compared with 10. So then you have to write J and Z repeat. So repeat will be here. Now, if L content is equal to 10, then CPI 10H will result 0 flag equal to 1. So it will not repeat this process. It will come out of loop. So now you have to store the result. So your result is in C register and B register. So LXI H, what is result location? Result location 2500, no? LXI H 2500H, move M comma C. So C content will be moved to 2500H. INXH, move M comma B. So 15 will be moved to 2501. Then halt. I will use one Excel sheet for explaining this. So that will be good. New, where Excel sheet. So examples, programming examples. हाँ 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 हाँ
लैब वाला आप स्टार्ट करा दीजिएगा, फिर हम गूगल ज्वाइन कर लेंगे।
ओके
हम बाद में कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे।
हाँ कंट्रोल ए, इसको कर दें टाइम्स न्यू। क्यों नहीं थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाए भाई। ऐसा कैसे हो रहा है? Here rename probe 1, probe 1. Where is this? So first, अरे बाप रे क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है जी? Now if I write over here, first instruction is XRA A, second one is LXI what? H comma 2400H. Right. Now this is 3-byte
Yes.
instruction. Hello. This is 3-byte instruction, so you need to leave the space over here. So here you have to write LXI B comma 0000H. Right. This is also 3-byte instruction, so you have to leave 2 space. Then you have to write move A comma M. A comma M. This is 1 byte, so no problem. BAA will be the next instruction. CMP M will be the next instruction, 1 byte, no problem. ANZ, add next byte, no? ADD, next. This is your label. इसको हम, I will change the color over here. आ गया. I will make it red. JNZ, add next. Right. If byte is not BCD, so how many 2 locations we have to reserve? Then third one is add C. C register. Then you have to do DA, JNC, NEXT. NEXT. So I'll change this color. I'll make it say this. So it will jump to this location. This is also 3 bytes, so we will then move C comma A. Sorry, C comma A has to be the next instruction. Then move A comma B. This is for increment D register if carry is there. No. ADI 01, ADI 01H. This is 2 byte instruction. Then you have to do DAA. then move B comma A. Then move A, C comma A. Move C comma A. Right. And this level, Control C, has to be over here. अरे इसका कलर एक ही ना होना चाहिए जी, क्यों नहीं लिया वैसा कलर? Right. Next, add next byte. Control C. ये होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, इसको थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दें और इसको रेड करना है ना, आगे रेड. Here I have to write INXH. Then we have to check how many bytes we have added. So we have to compare L with 10H. So we are transferring that one to accumulator. Then CPI 10H. So this is 2 byte. So I will leave one space. JN Z REPEAT. Right. So repeat. I have to put green. कहाँ गया green जी? ये. This is also 3 byte instruction. Then here I have to write LXI H comma 2500 H. 3 byte का है. So move C comma A. INX H. Move B comma M. M. HLT. Now our repeat has to be over here, no? Control C. Repeat has to be over here. Now if we insert suppose our program starts from 2001 00, right? 2001 9, then this will be 200A. Correct. 200B. Will it increase like that? Or AB, it will copy. C. No, it's not going to work. It's not going to work, but we can see our program is a 37 byte program is there. Of course, these locations, ये जो है, it's not correct. 2000, so here it will be right. हाँ. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो भैया इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? You have to write here Control X it has to be over here. In fact, if I do this, insert, here you have to write the opcode for XRA, which is AF, is the opcode, right? LXI H का क्या है जी? 210024 क्या 24। LXI B का ऑपकोड क्या है जरा बताइए हमको। हेलो,
1 second.
अरे भाई खोल के रखिए। LXI B का ऑपकोड क्या है?
Sir, 62.
06 या 01?
01.
01। तो नेक्स्ट 2 बाइट्स 0000। मूव A, M का क्या है?
Sir, 7E.
एक मिनट, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट टेकिंग, वो नहीं दे रहा है ना।
Yes, sir, 7.
ये होना चाहिए, इसका ऑपकोड ये होगा, इसका 7EH ना,
Yes, sir.
7EH।
Yes.
एनीवे 7EH, राइट। DA का बोलिए फटक से।
27H.
27H। कंपेयर M, FE,
Sir, BE.
BEH, JNZ B2 ना। This is
D2, sir.
D2, right? Now in these two location, इसका एड्रेस चाहिए हम 2025 का मतलब क्या हुआ? This will be A, B, C, D, E, F, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 2019. No? 2019H is this. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1920H will be over here. Jump if not 0, program counter will come over here. Otherwise, it will do the addition operation. Add C का opcode क्या है जी?
Sir, 89.
89H। BA का तो अभी देखें हम लोग 27H ना। JNC का C2 ना। JNC का क्या है? C2। और नेक्स्ट का है 2018H, राइट। तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 18H 20H। मूव C, A, क्या है ऑपकोड?
4F.
4FH। मूव A, B, जल्दी जल्दी बोलिए भाई।
7A.
7AH। ADI का क्या है?
7-8 होगा सर, मूव A, B का।
अच्छा 7-8, सॉरी 8। हाँ ये क्या होगा? एडीआई 0, एडीआई का क्या
C6
ऑपकोड है?
C6
C9, C6, C6H, राइट। यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? यहाँ पे क्या आएगा आफ्टर C6?
सर 01
01 will come. Why? Because 01 will be added. DA का क्या है? 27, नो? मूव
Yes, sir.
B, A का ऑपकोड बताइए।
सर 47
47H, मूव C, A 4F ना?
4 yes
ओके। INX-H का है 23,
24 सर
24H, मूव L, A
सर 6F
6F, CPI का है FE ना?
यस सर
कुछ कुछ याद हो जाता है। JNZ D2, D2H। रिपीट का क्या एड्रेस है जी? ऊपर जाके देखिए, रिपीट कहां पर है? यहाँ ना, इसको ग्रीन करना भूल गए। हाँ,
यस सर 2007
2007 ना, 2007। तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? इस लोकेशन में क्या आएगा?
07
07H, और यहाँ पे आएगा 20H। LXI-H का मालूम है 21 नहीं, 00H, 25H, move C, M quickly.
सर 4EH
4EH। INX-H का क्या है? 24, 24 ना? move B, M
सर 46
46H। हॉल्ट का भाई
सर 76
76H। लेकिन so in whenever you will have the laboratory class, right, that time you try to do this program over there. I will share this. What exactly this is going to do? It will add the, right, 2400H onwards up to say 2440FH, right? In these locations you fill 99 everywhere. And check whether at 2500H कितना रिजल्ट होना चाहिए जी? 84 ना? और यहाँ पे कितना आना चाहिए? 15। ये आप चेक कीजिएगा, ठीक है?
यस सर
Right. So in this program, so many instructions are there. You can see XRA, you understood, to clear the accumulator. LXI, right? LXI-H 2400H, 16-bit data is transferred to H register. But here, this 16-bit data is being used as address, no? In this instruction, right? Again, 16-bit data is transferred to BC register pair, but this is used for storing the data, arithmetic operation results. है कि नहीं? So we can store 16-bit data in a register pair, and that data can be used as an address sometimes using some instructions. Right, we discussed how to increment, right, count in BCD. Right, here these 4 instructions are actually used for counting. इसको merge and center. Here I am writing INR B. आ जाएगा यहाँ. This is for INR B is for, right, उसके लिए ये 4 इंस्ट्रक्शन लिखे हैं हम, so that, right, counting will be done in BCD. So should I stop over here? Anyone having doubt related to this program and any instructions? You can see one logic we have developed over here. We are not using a count value of say 16 to count the number of bytes. Right? We have used actually memory pointer, lower register, L register content, that how many times it is incremented. If it is incremented 16 times, then content of L will become 10 and all bytes are added. यहाँ से यहाँ सभी byte add होंगे, तब ये क्या होगा 2410H. So HL will be over here. So addition will continue till 240F, and after that it will stop. Right. Another logic we have introduced over here, that we can check whether a number is BCD or not. Control S. So I'll share this PPT, all PPT and this PDF file, Excel file I'm sharing on this WhatsApp group.